Hello everyone, welcome back to SGM Creations and Tutorials. I have here a birthday card. I created a birthday card for my someone special. This birthday card is just a simple made from the recycled magazine. Look at guys, this is just a letterings I cut out from the magazine Happy Birthday Special. And the picture of the birthday card is a wine, bottled wine, and a wine glass with flowers. These pictures I cut out from the brochure from the wine guide. This is a wine guide. This wine guide, a lot of pictures that you can find here. Look, pictures from the different wines. Look here, this is a wine guide from the Dinner Supermarket, and I just cut out this one because I want, look at this is a wine guide from the Dinner Supermarket in Switzerland. So I cut out this one and I fix it here. So all you have to provide one envelope. Look at this is one piece of envelope. Just cut out the envelope this way, all the sides, and you can use this one as your birthday card. Look at this. So you can open like this. And inside, I just cut out a letterings, and I also fix it here. Ich liebe dich, my darling. God bless you always. Okay? So, this is how to recycle waste magazine, and I also cut out a letterings from this magazine and a flowers from the brochure from the supermarket. So now this is now the transformation of an envelope and a pictures from the magazine, a wine guide magazine from the supermarket, from the Dinner Supermarket. So guys, this is how to recycle your magazine, and you can create different greeting cards like birthday, Valentine's, Christmas, anniversary. Just recycle any magazine. If you have any magazine from supermarket, all you have to produce is only magazine. Cut out first the letterings and provide a glue, a water glue, a brush, and a scissor, and cut out your letterings first. Prepare all your letterings and then start to fix it on a piece of envelope. The envelope is being cut out from this side and here now. Okay, so you can write also here in this blank space, open space, and or you can fix a lettering like this, because I just cut out some letterings. I fix it here. Ich liebe dich, my darling. God bless you means I love you, my darling, and God bless you. So, or you can write it by your hand. Okay. So guys, this is already my birthday card for my beloved husband. Okay. So thank you for watching guys and supporting SGM Creations and Tutorials. If you want to learn how to create different project like greeting cards, home decorations, fashion accessories, and many things, just visit my channel and click my playlist, and you can find all the things you want to learn. Thanks for watching and God bless everyone. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, and and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. God bless everyone and take care. Keep safe always. Bye-bye. Dankeschön. So, ito na yung ating special birthday card. So, you can choose any pictures that you wanna fix it here. Since this is a birthday card for my husband, so I just choose a wine with a wine glass because of course his birthday, he's going to drink wine. Okay, so you can fix a letterings like this. Just a very simple, no need to buy expensive birthday card as long as it is a heartily given with love and effort to create this unique and simple birthday card. Since it's quarantine time, so better to just create a DIY handmade recycled birthday card like this. This is a very easy and very costless project. So once again, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. And see you again in my next tutorial. Daghang salamat og amping kanunay. Take care, ingat lagi dahil kailangan maging malusog ang katawan. God bless everyone. Ciao!